Hello and welcome, John Kroner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the AI Holly and Market Update for Tuesday, June the 19th. Well, let's go ahead and jump in and take a look and see what happened with the markets. As everybody probably knows by now, we had more trade war discussions and fears going on, which caused a big gap down in the market this morning. And they seem to rebound rather quickly. The IBB, you can see here right from the start, started going back up, and she climbed steadily till she based a bit, and then still closed, right near highs. So the IBB responded very, very well. The IWM Russell 2000 index, basically the same thing, but once the IWM opened, it came up a little bit, and then she did pull back, and then she turned around, and then she went up steadily for the rest of the day. A couple consolidation periods, but for the most part, straight up. The Qs, same thing, opened down, and looks very similar to the IWM chart that we looked at. And same thing here after the initial upsurge, pulled back a little bit, and then went up, closing near highs. And the spiders, pretty much the same story all over again, and recovering very, very nicely. Now the diamonds probably did not respond quite as much, because this one, even though it did respond and close higher than it opened, we still did not close within the day before's candle and come back to where it was on Monday. So the diamonds retraced a little bit more, and you can see here we are below the 50-day average, actually resting right on it. So it's a good sign that we are right above it. Tomorrow will be very important to see if we could follow through to the upside or to the downside. So be very, very important there. We'll take a quick look at TLT, and you can see here pretty much a perfect doji, and GLD, another perfect doji on it. So that's where we are with the market update part of today's video. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the Holly trades. We have the three Hollies, the Holly Grail, and she made $1.24 on 4 trades. On the risk on, she made $5.75. And we'll go back and we'll take a look at a couple of the trades in a minute. The Holly 2.0, we had $1.80 profit and $2.73 on the risk on profit. And on the Holly Neo, $2.04 profit and $4.64 risk on profit. So, the way it looked for the day, then she had 20 trades, $5.08 profit, $13.12 was the risk on profit for all three Hollies combined. And for the week, we're sitting at 45 trades at a $5.53 profit, but $18.12 on the risk on profit. So considering that we've had the gap opens, the last 2 days, Holly has done very well, recovering and doing well through that. Now, if we take a look at the Holly Grail, you'll see here the WVE was a short trade, and she hit her target of $1. Okay, so and that happened relatively fast, and then had you held through, you would have made $3.05 on the risk on profit. Now to change segments, if you right click over on here and you click on the 2.0, we can see the trades that the 2.0 had, and we see here that the PRU was her best risk off profit, and that was a long trade. Okay, now had you held that, you would have only ended up with 30 cents at the end of the day. But if we look through here on the risk on profit, we see PB, was the best risk-on profit. She got out of it because of a timed exit, and a lot of these strategies have different reasons for the exit. Some are timed, some are percentages, some are targets. So she has different reasons. But this one, had you held through, you would have ended up at $1.15 at the end of the day. And once again, if you use that man with machine that we talk about, you could have actually got a few more cents out of it on that. And we'll take a look at the Holly Neo. And here as it's populating, you can see here she had all short trades with one long trade. Her best, risk off one was the WVE again, and so she had that in two different strategies. And once again, that was the best trade. Her second best on the risk on was IQ. And you can see here, once again, she made her money relatively quickly, but had you held it, you could have done much better. And her second best was another short, PAGS. So there is a quick look at the PAGS. So that is our Holly update for you for today. So another very good day for Holly. And if you like this software that we've been showing you and this stuff, I do invite you to give us a try. You can try us on a monthly plan or a yearly plan. You can try the standard or the premium. With the premium, you do get the Holly and some of the advanced features. You can use Bullseye 15, that's all capitals, and the Bullseye is with a Z. It'll save you 15% on your first month or your first year. Here is the link to get to that right there. And I will include it'll be a little longer link, but I'll put that right into the YouTube video comments so you can copy and paste it. And I invite you to follow us at bullseyetrader.com. You can like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter or StockTwits. If you like this video, got anything out of it, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And if it's the first time you're seeing these videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we would appreciate that. And I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.